How to check your save password using Google Password Manager. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down. Tap on a Google. Now tap on a Password Manager. Tap on a Google Password Manager. Here you can see list of saved password for Amazon, Canva, Facebook. You can see list of all applications you save the password. Tap any application, you can see the password. Here we select Amazon. Now unlock your pixel device. Now here you can see your email ID and password. Tap on I icon to show the password, or tap on this icon to copy password. Now you can see copy the password and paste to your browser. So just select the application and tap on I icon to show your password using Google Password Manager. That's it. If you like it, share it.